हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। सो फ्रेंड्स, आज की इस वीडियो में आप सीखेंगे 130 प्लस डेली यूज सेंटेंसेस। हमारा पहला सेंटेंस है, वह दूसरे बच्चों से लड़ाई करता है। ही फाइट्स विद अदर स्टूडेंट्स। ही फाइट्स विद अदर स्टूडेंट्स। आपके पास रेशमी कपड़े हैं क्या? डू यू हैव सिल्कन क्लोथ्स? Do you have silken clothes? यही तो मुझे चाहिए था। This is what I wanted. This is what I wanted. ये कोई हंसने की बात नहीं है। It is no laughing matter. It is no laughing matter. यह मेरे लिए मायने नहीं रखता। It doesn't matter to me. It doesn't matter to me. क्या तुमने अपना काम खत्म कर लिया? Have you finished your work? Have you finished your work? तुमने मुझे फ़ोन क्यों किया था? Why did you call me? Why did you call me? मैं पापा से शिकायत कर दूंगा। I will complain to father. I will complain to father. उनमें धैर्य नहीं है। They do not have patience. They do not have patience. हम यहीं रहते हैं। This is where we live. This is where we live. उसका व्यवहार अच्छा नहीं है। His behavior is not good. His behavior is not good. वो गंभीर हालत में है। She is in serious condition. She is in serious condition. तुम्हें ये विचार कैसे आया? What gave you this idea? What gave you this idea? वो लड़का क्या कर रहा है? What is that boy doing? What is that boy doing? वो ना जाने कहाँ गायब हो गया। He disappeared into thin air. He disappeared into thin air. यहाँ घर जैसा लगता है। Here I feel at home. Here I feel at home. पापा ने मेरा डर भांप लिया है। Father had sensed my fear. Father had sensed my fear. मेरा ज़मीर मुझे इजाज़त नहीं देता। My conscience doesn't allow me. My conscience doesn't allow me. वो कहीं और से आया है। He has come from elsewhere. He has come from elsewhere. ठीक ठाक लगा लो भैया, या सही दाम लगा लो भैया। Quote a fair price brother. Quote a fair price brother. मैं आप ही के यहाँ से सामान ले जाता हूँ। I am your regular customer. I am your regular customer. इसका कोई मतलब ही नहीं बनता। It doesn't make any sense. It doesn't make any sense. मुझे नाम याद नहीं रहते। I am terrible at names. I am terrible at names. जैसे मन में आए वैसे करो। Do it how you wish. Do it how you wish. तुम्हें उससे क्या काम है? What's your business with him? What's your business with him? छोटू को मेरा प्यार देना। Give छोटू my love. Give छोटू my love. मैंने फोटोज खिंचवाई। I got the photographs clicked. मैंने फोटोज खिंचवाई। आई गॉट द फोटोग्राफ्स क्लिक्ड। वो मेरी सगी बहन है। शी इज माई होल सिस्टर या शी इज माई फुल सिस्टर। वो मेरी सगी बहन है। शी इज माई होल सिस्टर, और वी कैन से शी इज माई फुल सिस्टर। मैं उससे पहले एक बार मिल चुका हूँ। आई हैव मेट हिम वंस बिफोर। आई हैव मेट हिम वंस बिफोर। क्या नहीं पढ़ाया गया है? What has not been taught? What has not been taught? कल मेरा टेस्ट है। I have a test tomorrow. I have a test tomorrow. मैं बस अभी पहुंच ही रहा हूं कमरे में। I am just reaching my apartment. I am just reaching my apartment. मैं तो परेशान हो गया हूं उससे। I am fed up with him. I am fed up with him. दूसरों की बुराई मत किया करो। Don't speak ill of others. Don't speak ill of others. शायद कोई समस्या आ गई होगी। There might be some issues. There might be some issues. वह गुस्से से उबल रहा था। He was boiling with rage. He was boiling with rage. वो मेरे आगे टिक नहीं सकता। He can't stand against me. He can't stand against me. ये सूखा कुआं है। This is a dry well. This is a dry well. इतनी देर कैसे हो गई? What took you so long? What took you so long? बहुत शरारती हो गए हो। You have become very naughty. You have become very naughty. आगे सड़क कैसी है? How is the road ahead? How is the road ahead? कितने साल की हो गई हो तुम? How old have you turned? How old have you turned? कुछ भी जो तुम्हारा मन करे। Anything that you feel like. Anything that you feel like. आपने मुझे किसी की याद दिला दी। You reminded me of somebody. You reminded me of somebody. यह मेरा देखा हुआ है। I have already seen this. I have already seen this. कमाल का अनुभव था। It was an amazing experience. It was an amazing experience. प्रतियोगिता बहुत ही कठिन है। The competition is very tough. The competition is very tough. मैं इसे ज़्यादा इस्तेमाल नहीं करता। I don't use it much. I don't use it much. समारोह कब शुरू होगा? When will the function begin? When will the function begin? तुम इस वाले पर बैठ जाओ। You sit on this one. You sit on this one. तुम बहुत कमजोर हो गए हो। You have become very weak. You have become very weak. क्या तुमने डॉक्टर को दिखाया? Did you see a doctor? Did you see a doctor? क्या वो जिम्मेदार है इसके लिए? Is she responsible for this? Is she responsible for this? मैं कक्षा में प्रथम आया। I stood first in class. I stood first in class. मैं कक्षा में प्रथम आता हूँ. I stand first in class. I stand first in class. तब तक वो जा चुकी थी. She had gone by then. She had gone by then. वो जमाना गुजर गया. That age has gone by. That age has gone by. मेरे पिताजी मुझे बुद्धिमान मानते हैं या बुद्धिमान समझते हैं. My father considers me intelligent. My father considers me intelligent. मैंने ये नहीं किया. I didn't do this. I didn't do this. मैं कभी मुंबई नहीं गया हूँ. I have never been to Mumbai. I have never been to Mumbai. घर तो खाली है अभी. The house is empty. The house is empty. मैं टहलने जा रहा हूँ. I am going for a walk. I am going for a walk. ये केवल मजाक था. It was just a joke. It was just a joke. उस पर चोरी का इल्जाम है. He is accused of theft. He is accused of theft. काश मैं वहाँ होता. I wish I were there. I wish I were there. मैं उससे मिलना चाहता हूँ. I want to meet her. I want to meet her. आप किसका इंतजार कर रहे हो? Who are you waiting for? Who are you waiting for? मैं तुम्हारा इंतजार कर रहा था. I was waiting for you. I was waiting for you. वह आने ही वाला है. He is about to come. He is about to come. समय कैसे काटूं? How to pass the time? How to pass the time? उसके पास क्या क्या है? What all does he have? What all does he have? मैं बाल बाल बचा था. I had a narrow escape. I had a narrow escape. जो भी तुम्हारे पास है मुझे दे दो. Give me whatever you have. Give me whatever you have. इससे क्या फर्क पड़ता है? What difference does it make? What difference does it make? इससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. It makes no difference. It makes no difference. क्या तुमने उससे कहा? Did you say to her? क्या तुमने उससे कहा? Did you say to her? तुमने तो ये बहुत जल्दी कर दिया. You have done it so quickly. You have done it so quickly. फिर कब मिलेंगे? When will we meet again? When will we meet again? क्या वो हमसे सहमत होंगे? Would they agree with us? Would they agree with us? वे सब घर गए. They have all gone home. They have all gone home. हमारे पास थोड़ा समय है. We have a little time. We have a little time. हमारे पास बहुत ही कम समय है. We have a very little time. We have a very little time. मीरा घूमने कब गई? When did मीरा go away? When did मीरा go away? क्या तुमने फॉर्म पर हस्ताक्षर कर दिए? Have you signed the form? Have you signed the form? तुम्हारी ड्रेस कितनी गंदी है? How dirty your dress is. How dirty your dress is. कागज पर पैर मत रखो. Don't step on the paper. Don't step on the paper. घुमा फिराकर बातें करना बंद करो. Stop beating around the bus. Stop beating around the bus. भगवान जाने वो कहाँ गया. God knows where he is. God knows where he is. मैं उसे ढूंढ रहा था. I was looking for him. I was looking for him. मुझसे पैसे मत मांगो. Don't ask me for money. Don't ask me for money. काश वो सच होता. I wish that were true. I wish that were true. रोहन वहाँ था, है ना? रोहन was there, wasn't he? रोहन was there, wasn't he? इलाज चल रहा है. The treatment is going on. The treatment is going on. मैं हमेशा तुम्हारा साथ देता हूँ. I always stand by you. I always stand by you. उसे माफ़ी मांगनी पड़ेगी. He will have to apologize. He will have to apologize. जो हो रहा है होने दो. Let happen what's happening. Let happen what's happening. मैं पौधों को पानी दे रहा हूँ. I am watering the plants. I am watering the plants. आज ओले पड़ेंगे. It's going to hail today. It's going to hail today. 4 दिन हो गए हैं. It has been 4 days. It has been 4 days. तुम किस शहर में हो? Which city are you in? Which city are you in? तुम्हारे पास क्या नहीं है? What do you not have? What do you not have? अपने स्वास्थ्य का ध्यान रखो. Take care of your health. Take care of your health. उसने मुझे कभी रोने नहीं दिया. He never let me cry. He never let me cry. वह मुझे कभी रोने नहीं देता. He never lets me cry. He never lets me cry. ऐसा जानबूझकर किया गया. It was done on purpose. It was done on purpose. आपसे मिलने के बाद मैं निकल गया. Having met you, I left. Having met you, I left. तुम वहाँ किसके साथ थे? With whom were you there? With whom were you there? क्या मैं इसे पहनकर देख सकता हूँ? Can I try it on? Can I try it on? मैं आपकी कलम का उपयोग कर सकता हूँ क्या? Can I use your pen? Can I use your pen? क्या हम वहाँ पर बैठ सकते हैं? Can we sit over there? Can we sit over there? सो फ्रेंड्स आई होप वीडियो आपको पसंद है। वीडियो पसंद है तो वीडियो को लाइक करें और अगर आप अभी तक चैनल पर नए हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें।